welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be testing out a recipe from easyfamilyrecipes.com, and the link will be in the bottom below. But this is a jalapeno popper chicken bake, and this is supposed to be like a low-carb, gluten-free, like kind of all-in-one keto thing. This is what we're having for dinner tonight, so I'm ready to go ahead and get testing, and if you are too, just keep watching.
So I first got going on trimming any extra fat off my chicken. And then I seasoned it with salt and pepper. And then some granulated garlic, which I just did that to both sides. And then I positioned it in my pan. And after I cleaned and washed my cutting board, I cut my cream cheese into cubes because I didn't take my cream cheese out enough time to completely soften at room temperature. So this is just what I had to work with. And I would say that if you guys do make this, please don't do this because it didn't really melt that well. And it still tasted good, but I think it would have gone much better if it had been able to spread over the chicken. But this is what I had to work with, so that's what I did. It still turned out good. Don't get me wrong. This wasn't bad. It would just be better if it was in those instructions, if I followed the instructions. But then I got my paper towel to cut my jalapeno cheeks off, just like I did in the 7-Up guacamole video, just to catch any seeds since I had more than one jalapeno. Just made cleanup easier. And once that was tossed away, I just got to slicing my jalapenos. And I would say I'd dice these. That'd be a lot better, I think. But then I just shredded some cheese and put that on top. And then when the chicken was baking, I got my bacon out and cut it into cubes, I guess, and baked it until my desired crispiness. And this particular pack of bacon was extremely fatty, so I had to empty the fat a couple of times. And once it was all foamy and looking gorgeous, I went and drained it on a paper towel lined bowl, put my fat into a container to throw away once it was solid, placed it on top, and then put it back in and it was done.
Okay, so the chicken has been out of the oven for about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. I will just say though that if I make this again, these are huge portions. So this is a whole breast. So just to kind of keep that in mind for you, I would recommend maybe even cutting them in half just to make it easier to serve, because I'm gonna have to cut this a lot for my kids and I. So anyway, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste. Oh wow. That's good. The jalapeno's not spicy. It's cooked down, so you just get the jalapeno flavor without any heat, so that's awesome. The chicken is cooked perfectly. The bacon and the cheese, I was worried were gonna be too salty, but I think that it's just the perfect amount. The cream cheese is just kind of melted enough to where it accents it rather than kind of being just like this weird creamy component in this. This is a 10 out of 10. I would not change anything about it. This is fabulous. You guys, you need to go make this. This is so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up for my kids and I for dinner. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this and testing this out with me. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and leave any requests for any future recipes down in the bottom comments below. And please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.